recently saw Bruce Jenner strolling alone in Malibu, and when it comes to his personal transformation, it seems that's how he prefers his journey. According to Us Magazine, Bruce is distancing himself from the Kardashians as he makes his male-to-female transition because, unlike so many times before, not all of them are standing by his side. In fact, it's reported that Khloe Kardashian is the only Kardashian kid who gave Bruce full support when he announced his decision, and apparently Bruce feels that the others are only supporting him publicly to protect their image. As for the Jenner crew, Brody and his brother Brandon have their dad's back, but his daughters Kendall and Kylie haven't spent as much personal time with their father since his announcement. They have been keeping busy though. For example, Kendall just posted her latest cover shoot for GQ magazine, which is quite the accomplishment, but she seems to only discuss being a model, not being a model daughter.